The TK20 5-axis vertical machining center debuts at EMO 2025, delivering unmatched speed and accuracy. With two 50mm strokes on X, Y, and Z, plus the axis rotation of plus or minus 120 degrees and unlimited Z-axis motion, it unlocks the full potential of 5-axis capability. The machine handles workpieces up to diameters 200 by 200 millimeters and 30 kilograms with effortless accuracy and efficiency. A cast monoblock bed, moving beam Y-axis, and rigid cradle ensure superior rigidity and dynamic responsiveness. Engineered for automation and light-out production, this 5-axis center combines productivity with uncompromising reliability. From medical implants to luxury jewelry, watchmaking, and precision automotive parts, the TK20 sets new standards in microscale manufacturing. Discover the TK20 at EMO 2025. Experience precision without limits. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metalworking solutions.